Hi everyone, welcome back. Introducing the 60-inch smart Wi-Fi brushless DC inverter ceiling fan. This is an awesome smart fan, uses up to 70% less energy compared to a traditional ceiling fan. It's super quiet, yet very powerful. This fan is also equipped with Wi-Fi capabilities and can be controlled from an app from your smartphone, or better yet, voice control using Google Assistant and Alexa. No, that's fabulous. That's not all. You also get this nifty sleek remote control that can be wall mounted. To sweeten the deal, you also get 15 years motor warranty. Get yours now, available right here at EnerSafe Solutions. Visit our stores or websites for more.